Hey there, farmers and farmerettes. I'm Farmer Red, and today I'm super duper excited. Today we're at the Montgomery County Fire Department here in Montgomery, Texas, and we are in a fire truck. How cool is that? Hey, you guys want to check out this fire truck with me and learn all about it? I bet you do. All right, let's get after it. All right, guys, let's check this out. How cool is that? Fire truck. Check this out, guys. So this is like the main brain of the operations. This looks so cool. It almost looks like an arcade machine. I wonder where I put in my quarter. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually where the fire truck pulls in all the water so that it can put out fires. How cool is that? Check this thing out. This thing is a massive pump that this fire truck has. It's able to pull about 2,000 gallons per minute. You know how much water that is? That is so much water. In fact, this truck could fill up a swimming pool in about 5 minutes. How awesome is that? So it pulls the water right in through here and it has all these awesome possum gauges, and you're able to feed out water to all your different hoses so you can fight fires. How cool is that? This fire truck is so powerful. Hey, you guys know how much this fire truck weighs? I asked the firefighters, they told me it weighs about 80,000 pounds. Well, that is really heavy. I wonder how many elephants that is. Why don't we ask our good friend the number wizard how many elephants 80,000 pounds is? Hey, number wizard, hey, are you up there? I have a quick question for you. If I have a fire truck that weighs 80,000 pounds, how many elephants is that equal to? Okay, cool, so one elephant is about 10,000 pounds, which means this fire truck weighs about the same as 8 elephants. How awesome is that? That's a really big fire truck. Hey guys, check out all these awesome possum colors. You guys know what color that is? Look, that's the color yellow. And over here is the color white. And look at that. That's like a gray. And check it out. It's the same color as a fire truck. It's red. And then look here. It's the same color as water. It's blue. And check this out. We have orange there and green right there. How awesome is this fire truck? It is so super duper cool and super duper colorful. Hey, you guys want to check out something else? Come on, let's go. Hey y'all, check this out. So this is the other side of the fire truck, and this is the part that they call the discharge. So this is where all the water comes out so the firefighters can fight fires. How cool is that? Look, they have 1, 2, and a really big one, 3, and 4 right here. And check out the size of this fire hose. This thing is absolutely massive. They can pump all kinds of water through here. Now I see exactly why they can fill a swimming pool in 5 minutes. How awesome is that? Hey y'all, look what I have. These are the jaws of life. How cool is that? Check this out. That is so cool. Look at that. It's like the giant jaws of an alligator or crocodile or shark. That is so cool. So these are actually used by firefighters in emergency situations. They can cut through all kinds of iron and other materials, like if they need to get somebody out of a car or building or anything else. These things are powered by hydraulics and they're super duper strong. How awesome is that? The jaws of life. This is what firefighters use to save people. That is so awesome cool. Hey y'all, check this out. So this is another awesome part of the fire truck, and these are what you call outriggers, and they're big giant legs, because when they're using this big giant ladder, it helps to keep the fire truck stable. Wow, stable. That's a really big word. Why don't we ask our good friend the word wizard what stable means? Hey, word wizard, hey, I have a quick question for you, buddy. Hey, what does the word stable mean? Okay, cool, appreciate it, buddy. All right, so the word wizard says that stable is just a word for keeping things well, even, and to stop them from moving. So that's what the word stable means. How awesome is that? Hey, you guys wanna check out this really awesome fire engine ladder with me? Come on, let's go. Hey y'all, check this out. So this is the fireman's ladder. How cool is this? Now this thing is 105 feet long and allows firefighters to rescue people from really tall buildings, houses, and all kinds of other stuff. And this thing can even go below ground level, which means if somebody's stuck in a hole or anything like that, they can even use it for that. How awesome is that? This fire engine ladder is so cool. Hey y'all, let's check out the inside of this fire truck. How cool is that? Let me hop in here. Wow, this is super duper awesome. They have all kinds of gauges here. Oh look, they even have a flat screen. It's almost like an iPad. How cool is that? Oh look, they have all kinds of gauges and all kinds of buttons. How cool is that? And all their fireman gear. Wow, this is really cool. This is actually pretty comfy. I think Farmer Red could get used to being a fireman. It's really nice. Hey y'all, check this out. So this is the back part of the fire truck where all the firefighters ride. Let's go check it out. How cool is this? So we are inside the fire truck. Look at this. It's a giant fireman axe. How awesome is that? Look at all their gear they have. They have their helmet and their jacket. And look, they have all kinds of other picks and axes. That is so super duper cool. Look, they even have an oxygen tank in case they need to go into a burning building and they need oxygen. How cool is that? It's almost like a scuba diving set for firemen. How cool is that? This is so cool. Oh, look, they have the radios over here. Oh, and they even have some air conditioning, which I'm sure is really nice when you're wearing this really hot fireman stuff. How cool is that? Fire trucks, awesome. Hey y'all, check this out. So this right here is what you call dual tandems. These are some really big truck tires, and they're called dual tandems because you have two wheels, which means it's dual, 1 and 2, and it's called tandem because you have 2 axles. So it's a dual tandem truck. So hey, when you see other big trucks going down the road and they have dual wheels and 2 axles, and you know it's a dual tandem truck, and you can sound pretty cool because you know what it's called. How awesome is that? Awesome possum. All right guys, I have my good friend here, Firefighter Rawlings, and we are about to have a race. Now I'm sure I'll probably win and everything, but hey, we're gonna race and see who's the fastest as far as getting in this awesome possum fireman gear. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Oh, well, yeah, or you could do it like that too, I guess. All right, guys, as you can see, well, you know, Firefighter Rawlings has a little bit of an edge up on me. He's had quite a bit of practice. But hey, he was able to beat me, get into this fire suit. But hey, that is his job, and these guys over here do it really well. And I'm so thankful for all the firefighters out there serving, because they've definitely saved me several times, and they saved many other people. So thank you guys for all your hard work and dedication. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for having Farmer Red over here today. Thank you. Awesome. All right, y'all. So we are inside the firehouse, and check this out. Look at this ginormous table. So this is where all the firemen have their meetings, and they even eat dinner together and hang out. How cool is that? And check out this really awesome emblem. Really cool. Montgomery Fire, EMS, and Rescue. Awesome. So thankful for these guys. All right, guys, check this out. So we are in the fireman's kitchen. How cool is this? Look, they have a stove and a microwave and all kinds of counter space. And look, they even have double ovens. So if you need to cook for a bunch of people, like a bunch of strong, hungry firemen, then this is the place to do it. How awesome is that? All right, guys, so check this out. This is where the firemen have all their fun and relax and even get to watch some TV. How cool is that? So this is where they hang out when they're not on a call, or maybe after they got done eating, or hey, if they just want to relax for a little bit after a long day of fighting fires. How cool is that? Awesome. Let's go check out the next thing. Come on. All right, y'all. So over here, we have the place where the firemen sleep. Come on, let's go check it out. How neat is this? Look, they have their own little, almost like hotel room areas. How cool is that? So this is where the firemen can come to hang out, relax, and get some sleep while they're working. Because firemen usually work 48-hour shifts, which is equal to 2 days. So hey, they spend a lot of time at the firehouse, and they need a comfy place to hang out. How awesome is that? Firehouse, sweet. Hey, well, that's about all we have time for today, farmers and farmerettes. Well, I hope you had a really awesome time over here at the Montgomery County Fire Department and exploring this really awesome fire truck with me. Well, hey, I gotta run. Until next time, y'all be good out there. Y'all come back now here. Bye.